This poor little water had one job and it just can't do it. And that just doesn't work for me. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Cody with Homestead today. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a better water for your pigs. Miss Petunia, Miss Penelope have grown out of their water and they're knocking it over. And as you can see with Petunia here, they love to scratch on stuff. And they've been using their, well, you can see right here, Miss Petunia's doing it on the barrel here and it's knocking it over. So we're gonna be upgrading our life today, making things a little bit easier for ourselves. Come with me, I'm gonna show you a super easy way to make you a much better water for your animals. If this video helps you out, be sure to drop that like and subscribe. But anyways, let's get started. So we're gonna be using the pig nipples from this build right here, and we're gonna be upgrading to a big old barrel. So let's go ahead and get that threaded in there and get this thing going. We're gonna go about 4 inches up because if we go any higher, then it's not utilizing the full point of the barrel, so what's the point of making it? So we're gonna go about right about here. That way, most of the water is being used and it gives us just a little standoff so the pigs don't have to like lay down and get it. So now that we got our hole drilled, we're just gonna do a little thread check here. And we want this thing to be tight. Yeah, there we go. So you can see here, it's sticking in there. The threads are nice and tight. That's exactly what we want. So I'm just gonna throw in some plumber's tape, and a little bit of pipe thread sealant, and get this thing ready. Now we're just gonna thread that in there. So once you have your initial thread, I recommend getting a pair of pliers because you're really going to need to crank down this thing, make sure it's nice and tight and we have that good seal. Okay, so we got Miss Penelope and Miss Petunia here, and you can say Miss Petunia is already loving the new water. That thing holds so much compared to the other one, and man, this thing is just so much better. They can't tip it over. And they've had this thing for about 3 days now, and there's still a ton of water, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but overall just a huge improvement to the automation here on the homestead. Not having to come out here every day and pick up a tipped over water or refill it or worry about the pigs knocking over is a huge quality of life thing. But look, I'm gonna put the link to these little nipple things down in the description below. That way, if you see this and you wanna build one, they're super easy. I mean, the only thing I did was put some sealant and some plumber's tape, and this thing is good to go. And it's only dripping right here because she came up and just used it. It hasn't been leaking or anything. But anyways, guys, I hope you're all staying warm with this cold weather we got coming. I hope that everybody, is okay out there and, stays safe. But look, if this video has helped you out and you made it all the way this far, be sure you like and subscribe. Love to have you keep coming on. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, which is crazy. But look, everybody stay warm. This has been Cody with the Homestead out here.